What's going on, YouTube family? How we doing? Just finished my first workout back after my back injury. I'm blowing. Basically I went to see physio last week. Turns out I moved my rib. Not too sure how. Can't say it was pleasant putting it back, but fingers crossed, some stretches and whatnot and I'll be all good. New week, new opportunities, new goals. Let's fucking go. Busy week this week. I'm getting my teeth sorted. Well, starting the journey to sort my teeth out. Meeting up with Riz. We're going to have lunch, catch up on a few different bits and bobs. FTMO challenge in play. That's currently sitting nicely in profit. Got to the 20th to get that done, so we'll see how we go. If any trades come, I'll be sure to try and get them on the old vlog for a walk. Read some more on my book, and then we've got pre-New York with a gang, and then see what New York has to offer. But yeah, hope you're all well. Hope you're having a good one. Let's fucking get it, gang. What's happening, gang? How we doing? So no trade yesterday. The one that came was late. It was like 7 o'clock at night. Personally, something I'm getting used to with US 30, it does move a hell of a lot more in times where I'm perhaps not at the chart, but so far there's still plenty that comes during my session, so I'm not going to start FOMOing into anything and trying to get in trades that, you know, late at night and stuff, because that's just not why I do this at all. The angle's a bit dead, isn't it? But yeah, just here at New York now. It's 1 o'clock, so New York's open, see what we get. Was a nice short in London on US 30, but again, not trading London. See if anything comes in New York. Got to get the kids at 2:30. Well, I'll leave here at 2:30 to get them. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, other than that, at the moment, not a lot. Waiting for development. Been really patient on this challenge. I think this is my 3rd week on it. I've been sitting at 7.2% for the last week and a half. Normally, I would have made up a trade. I would have done something stupid just to get it done with. But I'm trying to be disciplined, be patient. I had quite a busy couple of days. I've missed a few trades. You know, things haven't been coming in my session. It's very easy to then get a bit edgy, a bit agitated, a bit angry, and start going, right, I'm going to get in this trade here. I'm going to stay on the charts late. I'm going to trade a different session. I'm going to tweak my plan differently. You know, that's where most of the problems come in. I know that I'm in a good position. The last 3 days before it's done, they're going to give me an extension as long as I'm above 5%. So I welcome that if needed. I always say use all the time possible. Obviously, this is the first time back since, you know, fucking up my last account. Had a rocky month, but I tell you what, I needed it, man. I feel so much better just in everything. My approach to the market, the way I feel, you know, I'm a trader when I'm here. Once I leave this screen, I'm not a trader anymore, man. I'm just doing my thing. And it's been so much better than taking the trades with me on my day and all that shit. That's just not good for anyone. Waiting to see what happens here. We are in the last 15M range. So seeing what happens, focus, camera, focus. Seeing what happens here. Obviously we are stacking a lot of liquidity, so we could see a higher pullback. I'd like something up in here. We'll see what happens, but I'm more than happy to look for shorts down here at the moment. We are in the demand range to the left. 50-minute order flow hasn't shifted yet, so I'd be happy to short. This didn't quite fit my model. Looks to be playing out, so we shall see what we get. And I've gone back to MT4. I used to have it in the corner, but I've gone back to having it bigger. Main reasons being is when the difference between the data feed from the brokers on TradingView to the actual FTMO broker itself is not the best. So I execute now. Once it's coming into my level, let's say I'm playing off this, I'd be waiting for it on MT4, and I need to make sure I can see more of the screen than just a small corner. Just because the data feed, I know a lot of people have been asking me about this, that's my best advice. Then you can see balance down here, if it focuses. So it's a 100k account. And 2 trades on it. And then obviously the rest have been like trading day stuff, so like micro lots. Both of the trades would have passed me in one, but I closed one early due to a little bit of emotion, but also I didn't want to pass in one. And the second one I did the same. I want to make sure this plan's bulletproof. Obviously I've tested it thoroughly before coming into this, but as we all know, when you come into things that perhaps, you know, like a live challenge and such, you naturally do dumb shit. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't just pass it in one, get to verification, get stuck, or I don't smash challenge verification, get to the live account and go, oh shit, I took a loss, how do I deal with it? So, you know, probabilities, the loss could be next, and if it is, I'll welcome that. I'll try and get that on the vlog. There may be no trade. You know, tomorrow I probably won't trade. I'm meeting up with Riz. And Thursday I should be able to, and obviously you've got Friday, and I think it ends on the 20th of July, so I've got plenty of time. Like I say, I'm not in any rush, but we will see what we get. Just waiting to execute on a position if it comes back to let me in. It might not. It's not looking that hopeful at the moment. And just be mindful that obviously I'll be BE hopefully before the bell, because sometimes the bell can be a bit of a wild one. We've got a lot of stack liquidity as well, but I'm looking to short. Up here, if it comes back up, so my stop can cover the high. May have to increase the stop size slightly. Chances are it could tap the open in this range and just drop, but I don't like where my stop would be positioned, so I'm waiting. I want to hit it early on. Just need it a little bit higher. We're in. Let's see what happens. I had to inflate my stop to 2 pips just to get the high covered, which I'm fine with. And BE will be if we break this, what caused the pullback. Yeah, so full risk at the moment. See what happens. Keep you posted. I have to leave the house in about half an hour, so I'll probably just watch the bell. If this isn't secured BE by the bell, it'll be interesting. But yeah, keep you all posted and catch you in a bit. My MT4 broker is going down. My trading view's going up. Look, see that price action, yeah? We're in profit, right? Now look at trading view. Shit came up here in that. Like what the fuck? Like never seen that before. Like really weird. The fact that, I know there's a difference in feed always, but the fact that one's gone up, one's gone down. Actual madness. Still can't get over how bad that was. I got slipped so hard on that L. Like, I'm not even bothered about the L. The model is beaut. I'd take that shit again and again and again. No drama. But the fact that FTMO was nearly at BE, but on trading view hadn't moved, and then this big candle came on trading view and I went on MT4 and it had just decided to catch up. Fucking odd, man. Hey ho, we move. What's happening, everyone? How we doing? It's hot on that train, man, I tell you. I'm definitely catching the sun, feeling nice and brown, nice and tanned. Just going to meet with Riz today. Yes, and we're just going to go get some lunch, just have a little meet up, have a catch up. Not sure what else we're going to get up to, but thought I'd bring you along with me. It's a big old helicopter there. And they knew we're here. They're in it, they're onto us already. Jason. What's happening, you alright? Yeah. Apparently I'm Jason. What's going on, everyone? How are we doing? So I am in London again today. I'm on my way to Harley Street to Marylebone Smile Clinic to see Dr. Sahil Patel. Going to start my new smile journey. I mentioned it on a previous video, but obviously when I was little I had braces and these bottom teeth, they all moved. I didn't keep my retainer in. I was at school, you know what it's like at school. You don't want to wear the retainer when you're eating and stuff and taking it out, and you know what it's like. You think you're being cool by not doing it, rebellious and whatnot. My mum tried really hard for me to keep it in, but I didn't, and obviously my teeth moved. So yeah, did a bit of research and stuff, did look at going to get veneers, but personally I don't want to shave down my teeth and stuff. I have a few friends that have had it done and it's just not a bit of me. My teeth aren't bad, they've just moved. So I'm gonna start with Invisalign, get Invisalign hopefully for 6 months, keep it in for 23 hours a day, and then after that hopefully get some whitening done, and if need be some composite bonding, and yeah, hopefully I'll have that smile that I've always wanted. It's something that I've just noticed more and more as I've got older, something that I've always wanted to get done and I probably haven't. I've put it off a lot, so I've decided, look, let's just get it done. I'm in a position to do it. Obviously I work from home and stuff now, so I haven't got to worry about taking that retainer out at school or anything, and I also don't really care what people think. You know, back at school perhaps you care. So yeah, I'll keep you all updated. Yeah, good, thank you.
You ready to start today?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go and have a seat.
Let's go.
So your reminders are here. So we're going to do the first of 4, which is going to last for 4 weeks.
Okay.
And as we discussed last time, from here on, wearing 23 hours a day.
Yeah.
Initially, because you've got something sitting on your teeth. Yeah, pretty normal, but it affects your speech. I think in a few weeks' time you'll be fine to wear them on camera because you'll be much used to it. Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? How are we doing? So, got them in now. Didn't hurt, nothing like that. Feels a bit weird, not gonna lie. Obviously, I've got something on my teeth. I'd imagine in a couple of days I'll get used to that and yeah, be normal. But I've got 4 sets, so I've got 1 in. I've got 3 other sets. I've got to change each week, every 7 days. I'm gonna go back for my next appointment. See how we're getting on, and then go from there. So yeah, I'll keep you all posted on this. And I had a few people ask me about it, so I thought I'll vlog it, and I'll continue to vlog every time I pop up there. Yeah, now I'm heading home. Hopefully, I can catch them in New York, see what the session's got to give, and then yeah, that's the end of that. Really, go pick the kids up from school. I've got a little bit of a lisp. I can feel it. I can hear it. Hopefully, that doesn't. Well, it's not always the case, but if it is, it is what it is. But yeah, I hope you're all good. I'll catch you in a bit. What's going on, everyone? How are we doing? So I didn't get any trades yesterday. By the time I got home, got in, said hello to the kids and whatnot, I'd missed a trade by about 20 minutes or so, which is all good. Again, I'm not rushing, not stressing. So that's that. No trades today so far, and I've got an assembly today, so I probably won't get any trades today either. So yeah. That's the end of that week, really, trading-wise. Update on the teeth. It's very weird when you're eating and stuff, taking them out, because everything feels like I've got wobbly teeth, or it's a bit weird. It's got a weird feeling. A little bit of aches and whatnot, a little bit uncomfortable. More just like an agitation, if you like, than anything. But yeah, I'm going to wrap the vlog up there. That'll be the end of this week's vlog. I'm going to do a lot more of these. I think there's a lot of value in them, and it also makes things a little bit easier for me to structure content and do different bits and bobs. I've bought a new vlogging camera set up, so I'll be doing the vlogs on another camera, because this one, it hurts my arm like mad, and 2, it's not the best. Stabilisation and whatnot can get a little bit blurry, and I know that's not nice as a viewer watching that. So yeah, that's me at the moment, guys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've had a great week. I hope you're ready for a new week, and yeah, let's get it. Big love. Catch you in a bit. Peace.